you can like jump and jump and jump and jump in it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lonnie Ray, and I have my sister Athena here with me. She's and I am gonna be building this designer world, design your own world, and it is robot repair shop, and I got it from Wendys. I was so happy I didn't want to build it yet, and I am gonna open it and show you guys. Oops, something fell out. So they got this little blue seat, I guess, I don't know, but it has the instructions on the back of it. If you can't see that, on the back of it, it's 1 and 2. Come over here. Oh, you want to build it? Okay. So my sister's with me, Athena, and yeah, they have like stickers to go on this thing. It's not a seat; it's a little sign, as you can see here on the box. Right. Okay, you can't see it. Okay, it's blind. Nothing. Wait, is there something else? No. Put that to the side. Okay. Ooh. Shh. Come right here. Let's open this up because it's hard to open when it's closed. Alright, we have to follow the instructions. So one, we have this. Wait, why is it up like that? Yeah. We have to flip it over? Oh guys, look, that's cool. When you flip it over, you can see like dirty stuff and all that. That's cool. Robot tools and all that. Wait, let's see. So, what in the world? Ow, Athena. What? I guess we have to lift it up, guys. Oh, right. Let's see which piece goes. Oh, we have to flip it over. So if you want to make it like, oh, that's cool. We're making a garage tool area. Let's just flip it over like this, and oh, that's when it's dirty. Okay. Actions on the back. What? There's a little window in it? That's cool. I guess you can build it however you want. If you want to copy the instructions, you can. Okay, there we go. So first I put that in. Is that cool, Athena? Yeah. Alright, is that cool, Athena? Alright, let me see this real quick. Don't touch anything right now. Alright. So this is what else I'm going to be using. Yeah. This little thing right here. Okay, let's put it here. Alright, let me see this. Yeah. I think it goes like this. Look. Let me see this, Athena. Wait, okay. Looky, Gecko. Okay. Look. And then we'll put it in this window. Look. And I built it. It doesn't even have a top to it. Wow. Yeah. Wait, alright. Yeah, I did. So the area to go in. Here, grab the stickers. Alright, let me see this real quick. Wait, hold on. Let me put this in here. I don't know where to put it. Wait, get out. In the world, if I really get in. Oh my gosh, I put it in wrong. What you doing, child? No. Okay, let's oopsie daisy. Screen here. It's in there. Alright, we have to use. Wait, hold on. Let me see. No. Part of. Oops. It connected. No, not for you, okay? Alright, you want to make a robot or a human? Human. Okay. So first. No, we don't need this robot part. Okay. Alright, come over here. Alright, you said human? Yeah. Alright, I guess. Wait. I guess we're gonna make a human like to go into the store. See, I built it and it's so cute. And you can also
Let me get it.
yeah, look.
Look.
You can also turn it. Wait. You can also turn it over since the floor is clean because nobody went in there yet. So you can also turn the floor over and it looks so disgusting. Alright, let me see this. Okay. Draw here. No. And it has a Wendys sticker. Wait, let me show you. If you can't see at the bottom, a Wendys sticker.
Let me get it.
Let me see.
Okay, good.
Okay, so we have to put a sticker on this thing so it could look like a human's walking in, and then the window part is for like when humans are walking by, they look in there and they're like, oh, I should get my car in there too to get fixed.
Look.
So let's put it here. Oops.
What's that?
Alright, so I have the human there. I have the human there. I have the human there, so let's move this. They have like different kind of human parts in it, like this. And we're making a human, so it's gonna be very fun. Alright. This one. Alright, so there's another human part. It has a hand instead of a tool.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be right here. Oops. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, I think this part, this hairy part on the back, like if you can't see it, oops, right there, the blue and the white thing. Sticker won't stay on, oh no. Okay. Oops, I put it in the wrong spot. Oh no. Oops, got it again. Stick this in. Oops. Okay. So these other stickers are for when you want to like change it. So I'm not going to use those because I made my human bean. Okay, here. I'll show you guys since you can't see that human bean. I made it. Oh, and it looks so cool. Alright, so I'm going to put the sticker back. The stickers in here, back in here. Alright, there we go. So look at that, guys. You could use a human. He could be the worker actually. So you could like, oh, here's my work. I forgot where I put it. So he built the work. So I'm gonna pretend like he built it. So walking in. Walking in his work. Wait. Oops, I put it in the wrong spot. Oh, I need to rebuild it. Wait, no. This goes over here. And this goes over here. Alright, I'm walking in. And then I'm popping it. Just pretend the floor is still clean, so because I don't want to have to take it all apart. So he wiped his feet on the mat, so you don't have to change it now. Alright, I'm walking in because it was raining outside, so what do you expect? So let's walk. I'm building my robots. Okay, that's how, whoa, see the bottom of it? You can build it. Let's try it. Jump and in. Whoa, he fell. Alright. So going to show you inside of the box. See it? All of it in there. So, like and subscribe if you're new to this video, and comment down below if you like this, and go to Wendy's and get a kids Happy Meal and try this out. And so, bye guys.